How to use ProQuest Learning Literature. ProQuest Learning Literature is a platform giving access to full-text poetry, prose and drama, as well as author biographies, literary criticisms, essays, reviews and interviews. ProQuest Learning Literature can be accessed by going to the e-resources page and clicking on the link on the P tab. Type your search term in the search box and click on the magnifying glass. You can save your search or create an alert for new results. You will need to create a free personal account. You can sort the results by relevance or publication date. You can limit the results to just articles that are peer-reviewed, that is, evaluated by a panel of experts before publication. You can filter the results by content type, by publication date, by document type, or by subject. You can save an article into your research folder or email the article. You can see the abstract of the article or go straight to the full text. You can translate the article, hide search term highlighting. You can download a PDF of the article, get the citation of the article for your bibliography, get the permanent link to the article, or print the article. You can see suggested related resources and possible search terms. You can browse the content available by literary periods, by literary movements, by authors, or by study guides on set texts. You can also browse by publication titles. Either use a search to look for a particular title or subject, or browse the titles alphabetically. You can use the filters to narrow the list of publications. Clicking on a publication title will take you into the publication record, with features depending on the type of publication. A book record allows you to search within the book, get the permanent link for the record, and read the contents. A journal record allows you to search within the journal, choose to view the contents of a particular issue, search within the issue. You can get the permanent link to the journal, or set up an alert when a new issue is available. To see searches and articles you have saved, click on the person icon at the top of the screen. You can organise your saved documents by creating folders, selecting the documents, and adding them to the folder. You can also add to a folder from the document entry, or add notes. The default folder shows all saved documents. To see just the documents in a particular folder, select it from the drop-down menu. You can see Save Searches in the Searches tab. A help page relevant to the page you're on can be accessed by opening the menu at the top and clicking on Help.